Sa isang pahayag ng NBI spokesperson na si Ili Liano na may hawak na umano silang ebidensya patungkol sa nangyari kay Kapitan Dodong Bucol.
Actually, yung isa doon, iba, he was threatening the victim. So, automatic POI siya. Kasi namatay yung tinreten niya eh. Then yung matanda, he was there. I believe, ito sinasabi ko, may alam talaga ang matanda. Kasi very timely yung pagpunta niya doon. He waited for Kapitan Bucol to arrive. He has something to accomplish that night. And which is na-accomplish niya. So, yun, POI yung matanda. Then the rest, yung mga, of course, may nandoon yung hepe ng Digos Police. May previous sila na altercation ng kapitan. So lahat ng kasi may kasabihan na everybody is a suspect. So by process of elimination, kung sino yung talagang may hand, may involvement, siya ang focus namin ngayon. And the soonest or later, they can be described as suspect na talaga.
Aminado din ang NBI na nahihirapan daw silang iresolba ang kasong ito.
To be honest with the public, our policemen, I myself from the NBI, we really have a hard time in solving this case. This is a very classic na case. Well planned, well organized. And we believe na yung mga assailants, they are also connected with the government. So, kung ordinaryong criminal lang to, with the pot money of 5.5 million, sinusuka na yan. Kung ordinaryong tao lang yan. Kung ordinaryong killer lang yan. But because he is well connected with the government, sinong magsusubong? So, very compact sila. Pero I believe na meron kaming isang hawak na ebidensya na the moment na, of course, with the participation of our communication company, our communication service provider, so we can get some possible lead in this particular case.
Ma'am, with respect to sa forensic result, well, I'm not in the position to confirm. Kasi unang-una, we did not conduct the forensic examination of the slug. As I said before, the slug was recovered by our PNP personnel. So they are in the position of that slug. So they are the ones who, I believe that had conducted an AFES or itong yung ang nag-conduct ng examination ng slug is the PNP. So I believe na they are more knowledgeable. Kami, wala kami. I cannot give you any forensic validation or confirmation. Ngayon, as to the question na bakit nanahimik ang NBI for the past few weeks, of course, ayaw namin na ma-preempt yung trabaho namin. In as much as the NBI is now in a deeper investigation na makuha namin yung mga ebidensya na kinakailangan. So, if ever meron kami mga importante updates, we will inform the media.
Okay, so ito pa. Nag-trace ba ang Red Innova based on CCTV footage na ay mga claims na buba ang ibang CCTV footage o itamper with? Tinuod ba niya, sir?
Actually, to be honest, meron kaming we heard of that information na there are some few individuals who tried to tamper. But sa part naman namin kasi, I believe it's not, there are about, sa alam ko lang, there are 3 agencies na nag-conduct ng backtracking. I will disclose the agencies, one, the NBI, our local police sa Digos. So tatlong law enforcement agency. Hindi ko na alam yung iba. But we managed to get hold of a very serious CCTV na talagang hindi ko lang i-disclose mo na.
Sa Innova, sir? Saan na sa Innova ngayon?
Actually, yung Innova, nowhere to be found, as I said. Shortly after we exited the crime scene in City, of course, tinago na nila. I also presume that itong Innova is may tama. Kasi that was the claim of one of the bodyguard of Kapitan Bukol. If you heard sa Facebook, there was a series of fire shot. So siya yung pumutok, and he spent 15 shots. So he believed na more or less 5 shots pumasok doon sa Red Innova. So posible yung tama sa likuran.
So malaki din posibilidad na nag-repainting na o
Painting, or you can have a wild guess, baka binao na sa lupa, sinunog, or na chop-chop na.
Thank you, sir.
Matatanda ang dati ng binabatikos ni June De Gamon ng NBI na sinasabing mahina o matagal ang pag-usad ng kaso.
Sa Baduron, expected na po nato nga walay opisina ang NBI. Maginaot nga mingaw man kayo ron, ang kaso ni Kapitan Dudong Bukol wala po unta ni pahuway ato mga investigador. Papahuway po dyan. Sige, papahuway yun na to. Pero unta, kung sa kamingaw rong adlaw sa kaso ni Kapitan Bukol, dili pod mingaw ugma. Domingo man yun, sige, pagbigyan. Basi mo dire-diretso niya, mamingaw Lunes, mamingaw na sa Martes, mamingaw na sa umaabot ng mga adlaw. Kay hinahinayon na nila og patay kining kasuha. Ay mo gana ha, we are watching you. Daw lang. Sa SITG, isa kumutuon ninyo Hangtod karon ang meaning nako sa SITG, sigig imbestiga, taguan gihapon. Himuan yung bakakon si June De Gamon SITG. Nga kamo galihok mo para sa kasulbaran o justisya para kay Kapitan Dudong Bukol. I-prove ninyo nga mali si June De Gamon. Nga kamo inutil mo aning kasuha.